What's going on, everyone? This is Ernest. I'm one of the team members at theprofitroom.com. Just wanted to put a video together and talk about your trading journey. Now, many know at theprofitroom.com we provide a free trading community room as well as swing trade alert service. Now we have a trader education series, so check that out. I'll put links on that as well. But one thing is serious is about your trading journey. Many individuals, they start looking into learning how to trade, and there's so many different aspects of trading, and it can be really overwhelming between forex, futures, stocks, penny stocks, options, things of that nature. And the thing is, where do you start? Where do you begin? One thing I would suggest is just get educated. There's so much information online nowadays just to find out different information. Just gather it all together and just see what fits your personality. See what fits your personality and the type of trading that you want to do. And more importantly, when you start this trading journey, it's not going to be easy. It's going to take a lot of discipline in order to begin trading. And that's where I think a lot of people start and they fail to realize. Trading is like learning another language. It really is. You know how many times people try to learn a language or play an instrument. They play it for a couple of weeks, maybe months, then they give up. It's like too hard in order to do it. Some people achieve at it. And it doesn't matter what kind of experience you may have or how smart you are. Those who grasp the concept of trading, like anything else, are those who don't procrastinate. Those are the ones that are consistent. Those are the ones that continue to study. Those are the ones that take action. And that's what you're going to need to do to take action. Because this is a very emotional business as well. Trading. It's emotional because, number one, people get into trading because they want the money. You see the glamour on TV. You see all the movies, social media, things like that. And sometimes they make it seem like it's that easy. But it's not. You really got to put in work. Then when individuals start, they may feel that they're not as advanced as they should be, which is another discouragement. Not realizing that the baby steps that you are taking is some form of advancement. And that's what I remember when I first started trading. It was real hard for me to build that self-confidence. I had that vision, I had that goal, but the confidence wasn't there. And that's really important. Like, I remember I used to study every single night, always looking at charts, always going over setups. As soon as I start trading, boom, bombed. And that would happen day after day after day. I used to get up from the trading platform and just like go take a nap or something like that. But the thing is, you have to keep pushing yourself. And you have to keep being honest with yourself. Because I knew certain things I could have been doing much better that was preventing me from my advancement. And one thing that helped me out was I was getting educated. I had a trading coach, somebody to keep me focused on what I had to do, somebody that gave me accountability. That's why, I believe personally trader education is extremely important, because sometimes you can get blindsided by things that you see online, because realistically there are rich traders. There are people that post gains and post losses that could continuously keep funding their account where you probably can't. So that can mess with your psyche that you're not doing too good or whatever. But then at the same time, maybe you're trading a certain way that's not your personality. Or maybe you are trading forex when you shouldn't be trading forex, or trading equities when you shouldn't be trading equities, things like that. And what happens, many of us lose track when we don't get it right away. So I suggest, if you're going to trade a certain type of way, whether it's Forex, futures, options, stick with it. Give it time. It's going to take more than 3 or 4 months. Give it time. Don't be quick to jump to what's hot right now, what's everybody trading, things like that. You want to be able to focus on what you decided after you have gotten your education and did your research on what you planned on trading, and stick with that. So the bottom line is that, we don't want to worry about what others are doing. And that's very hard, especially on social media. You got all these groups, you got people posting. I mean, it even affects me. Like, wow, I missed that trade. They got in this trade. And I try to remind myself, like, you didn't miss a trade that you never got into. And the fact is, what's the chances, even if you caught that trade, you would have made money on it, it psychologically, it messes you up. It really messes you up. So the thing is, I like to say successful trading is possible, but it depends upon you. It's really a personal thing. I mean, you can get the education, right? You can get the direction, which I 100% push, but you have to make that decision. Because no matter what, when you turn on that platform, is you versus the market. And that's the confidence that you have to build. Like at the Profit Room, our team encourages one another. We do post the live trades and the P&L because we are real traders. We know there's a lot of smoke and mirrors out here. We know how hard we work behind the scenes in order to do and perform when the market opens. We have that self-confidence that many traders lack. And it doesn't come easy. It doesn't come easy. So make that decision. Make that decision to know that if I'm going to step into this trading world, whatever I decide to trade, I'm going to stick with it. I'm going to study. I'm going to look at the charts. I'm going to immerse myself in this. I mean, you still want to have a quality of life, but remember, this is like playing or learning a new instrument or learning a new language. It takes time. Little by little, you'll see advancements going and going. So don't discourage yourself. Don't give up. All right? So as always, trade safe, and we hope you enjoyed the content in this video, and we look forward to seeing you in the Profit Room. Take care.